Today I'm sharing how to make authentic pink tea, also known as Kashmiri chai. Rich, aromatic, and beautifully pink. Let's begin. Start by adding 4 cups of water to a pan. To this, add 1 star anise, 8 green cardamoms, 10 cloves, and 1 cinnamon stick. Now add 1 tablespoon of pink tea leaves, also known as Kashmiri green tea leaves. If you don't have those, gunpowder green tea leaves work just as well. Bring everything to a boil, allowing the spices to release their aroma. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. This step is essential. It's what helps develop that signature pink color. Lower the heat and let the tea simmer gently for 20 to 25 minutes, allowing the flavors to deepen. Now turn off the heat and add 1 cup of ice-cold water. This sudden temperature change shocks the tea. Stir vigorously and aerate the mixture for about 5 minutes. This is where the magic happens. Next, strain the tea into a glass jar. This concentrated tea can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. To prepare the final tea, heat 2 cups of milk in a pan and bring it to a gentle boil. Add 1/4 cup of the prepared tea and watch as the milk transforms into a beautiful, soft pink. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. Sweeten to your taste. Here, I'm using 1/4 teaspoon of stevia, but sugar works perfectly too. And that's it. Your authentic Kashmiri pink tea is ready. Warm, comforting, and perfectly spiced. Enjoy every sip. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wholesome recipes. Thanks for watching.